What's going on, guys? Phandom Brothers back with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Today we're doing a Honda Civic carbon fiber front grille install.
It looks pretty cool. I mean, compared to his other one, you can see right there. I really like it. I mean, it gives the car a way better look, I think. And you know, I'm just gonna be here for like moral support. Just kidding. I'll help you out.
Well, yeah, we've been doing a lot of Honda Civic installs, so I think Danny needs to step up his game with the
think
sign.
so. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna start ordering some parts for that thing too. So, yeah, let's get this thing started.
So before we get started, guys, I just want to give kind of like a brief explanation, like where I got it and how much it cost. So I ended up actually picking this up on eBay, and which I pick up a lot of my parts there from. So like if you're new to like modding your car, I would highly suggest you check out eBay. I know it's like ricey parts, but you know what? Just getting started modding your car, I think it's a great site to look at parts. So we got this one here for, I believe it was 30 bucks, and I believe shipping was like 10 bucks. So
That's not bad at all.
yeah, like 40 bucks Canadian. So if you live in the United States, it's probably cheaper.
It's like 30 bucks.
Yeah. And it changes the front end of the car completely. So, all right, enough blabbering. Let's get into it. Let's install this bad boy. So hopefully this install is fairly simple. It's got the 5 clips here. I'm not too sure what's behind this, but let's start with these. So,
Oh yeah, as you can see here, this has the exact same spots for the clips. So I mean, it fits in perfectly. So that's good.
yeah, that's actually kind of nice. So I kind of forgot my socket set at work, so we're gonna use my fiance's flathead. But these clips are pretty simple, so they clip up like this. Sometimes they're a little, they fight you a little, but.
Oh no.
Oh. We'll get those back, guys, don't worry.
See, I told you, moral support.
Son, hold these. So.
Seems like there's something down there.
Yeah, there's definitely something down there. So I believe it's these screws that are holding it in right here.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah.
These
Okay.
screws here.
Oh, I think that is what it is. There's 4. And like when you drop things in here, it's like a maze to get them out. Like, it's always so hard. It's a black hole. That's what they call it, black hole. Actually, no, that's the seat. That's like right on, like beside the seat. That's called a black hole. No,
This kid had one job to hold the screwdriver.
I was told to do it. Oh my! This is just going crazy. Oh, I found a screwdriver. So we're just gonna try to figure out how to take off the grill, and then we'll be back with you guys. Because these screws are giving us a little bit of a hard time, so we'll be back.
So, how's it going?
It's not going very good. We got these, as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws that are so hard to get to. And we're trying to find the best tools for the job, but it's like such a small space to work on that it's just really hard. And we've tried a couple things, but none have succeeded. So now Jeff's in his house trying to find a tool so that we can actually do this.
What have you tried?
Huh?
What have you tried?
I don't want to talk about it. Just kidding. We tried to use this big tool. It didn't work. Because as you can see, this is a very big tool. And this is a very small space.
That was Danny's idea.
It was not. Alright guys, we finally got it. We found the tool for the job, and we got 1. So, I mean, we've made some progress, but there's 3 left, so we gotta do that. you know, before we install the grill.
Huh?
What? Did you get it?
It's so much easier with this one. Oh my god, I was about to off myself.
Oh my god. And we were actually thinking, we were debating taking off the bumper, but then we were like, no, that's a little too hard. It's gonna take us way longer than it should.
Guys, leave in the comments below if Danny should start modding his car.
And now we got two.
Just ghost me.
Ignores him completely. So this is exactly what we go through every time, guys. We just laugh. This is what
But we get the job done.
Yeah, it makes it go a little longer than it should, but it's fun. It's a good time. One more, guys. We got this. We can do this, Jeff. We're like, you can do this.
I don't know if anybody else feels the same way though, but like after you do a mod, you have to wash your car. That's my mentality. Oh, fuck.
Woo! And it's out. It's out. It's out, boys and girls.
Oof, that was a bitch. That was so annoying and so frustrating. You guys have no idea.
Now we gotta figure out if the new grill has the spots for those screws, which I don't think it does.
We're smart about it.
So how does that gonna work?
I think it just clips in, bro.
Alright, so now guys, now we're gonna put the clips back on, and hopefully it stays because this grill doesn't have the little, what's it called? Like the little holes for the screws.
Yeah, true.
So we're gonna have to see if it holds and if it's secure, and we'll see what happens.
These little clips here,
Yeah.
I think it's supposed to slide underneath here.
Oh.
Okay. I think that's in.
You get this in?
Yeah. Here, can you pass me the clips for this one? I think they're a little bit bigger. Or they might be the same.
No.
Are they the same?
They are the same, bro. Yep.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Uh-oh.
I think it slid out. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it slid out. Fuck.
This is just complicated, isn't it?
Simple.
You know, this seems like it's a little harder than the trunk.
You know what? The simplest shit always.
It's always the hardest.
The hardest.
For some reason.
Okay, let's try this again. So these little clips here have to like kind of be like snugged underneath. Make sure they're straight because I'm OCD like that. Okay, let's do this side.
Yeah.
There.
They really have to be straight, huh?
Yes, it really does. Be straight. Daniel, when we work on your car, I'm putting in everything in crooked, bro.
Oh, it's gotta put it straight, because Jeffrey, he's OCD.
Oh, that's crooked.
Uh-oh. Okay. Why is everybody watching me, dude?
Because it's straight. It's not
It's
straight.
straight. That's straight. Last one, people. Just get this.
Damn, that sounded better than the OEM one.
Yeah, right? It's more secure.
Dead ass.
Ready? Done. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. That actually looks way better.
Wow, that looks good.
Yeah.
So, what do you think, Jeff?
Well, it's in. I'm very pleased with it. You know, for the price and, you know, just overall experience with this was pretty good. Me and Danny were kind of just fooling around there for a bit, but, you know, it was a fairly simple install, you just need to get under there and get your hands a little bit dirty, but for the most part,
Greasy knuckles. But yeah, it looks good. I mean, the little screws in the bottom are a little bit of a pain, but we got them, you know. Just gotta have to play around with tools and with angles and stuff like that. But in the long run, it's worth it. As you can tell, it looks fire. I like it. It looks really good.
So that was it, guys. That was the carbon fiber grill install on the Honda Civic. If you liked the video, make sure to smash that like button down below. Leave in the comments if you want to see more mods to the Honda or Danny sign on TC. We need to kind of push Danny to order some mods.
The mods for that car are a little pricey just because it's a little newer. But,
True, I'll give him that.
But I do need to get some things done to that car because it's been a long time.
Yeah.
Well, last thing was the aftermarket brakes, but I gotta get some like visual upgrades. Yeah.
And I got a big pile of like used Honda parts now, guys. So if you guys are interested in any of my old stuff, just DM us on Instagram. I'll give you a super good deal. Like this, I'll probably go for like $10. Super cheap. Remember to tandem with the Phandom brothers. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Phandom brothers signing out.
Jeff, you got a big ass forehead.
Yeah, man. Big ass mouth.
What the fuck? Better hide the baby oil. Better hide that big ass.